Today's topic is a deep dive into high-end interior design for coffee shops. Hi everyone, welcome to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design for better living. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thank you. First, what is a high-end cafe? A high-end cafe is more than just a place to grab a cup of coffee. It is an experience. These establishments exude sophistication, comfort, and exclusivity. From the moment customers step in, they are greeted by an ambiance that seamlessly blends luxury with functionality. High-end cafes often feature meticulous attention to detail, from the choice of materials and furniture to the design of the menu and the service provided. Such cafes are characterized by their ability to offer more than just a product. They provide a sensory experience through architecture, interior design, and a thoughtfully curated atmosphere. Whether it's a minimalist Scandinavian design, a rustic French bistro vibe, or an opulent Italian espresso bar, high-end cafes encapsulate a distinct personality that attracts a discerning clientele. A high-end coffee shop is more than just a space to drink coffee. It's an immersive environment that prioritizes aesthetics, comfort, and exclusivity. High-end coffee shops are characterized by thoughtful design elements, superior quality materials, bespoke furniture, and attention to detail that creates a luxurious yet welcoming ambiance. These cafes are often trendsetters in design, blending timeless elegance with modern touches. They emphasize creating a space that tells a story, represents a brand's personality, and caters to the refined tastes of their clientele. Key features of a high-end coffee shop include unique design themes and concepts, high-quality materials such as marble, leather, and hardwood, carefully curated art pieces and decor, premium lighting systems, a well-balanced layout that ensures comfort and functionality. Second, why do people love high-end cafes? High-end coffee shops attract a wide audience, from coffee enthusiasts to social media influencers. Here's why they're so appealing. The Instagram factor. In the age of social media, people love visually stunning spaces. High-end cafes often feature unique aesthetics, making them perfect for capturing share-worthy moments. The experience. Visiting a high-end coffee shop is not just about drinking coffee. It's about indulging in an experience. The ambiance, music, lighting, and decor combine to create a memorable visit. Aesthetic appreciation. Many people appreciate good design and craftsmanship. High-end cafes provide an opportunity to enjoy art, architecture, and interiors in an everyday setting. Escape and comfort. These coffee shops offer a break from the monotony of daily life. With plush seating, ambient lighting, and a calming atmosphere, they're perfect for relaxation or focus. Status symbol. Frequenting luxurious spaces is often seen as a reflection of one's taste and lifestyle. Visiting high-end coffee shops can be a subtle way for people to showcase their sophistication. Aesthetic appeal. People are naturally drawn to beauty, and high-end cafes are often visually stunning. Their designs make them Instagram-worthy spots, encouraging visitors to capture and share their experiences online. This aesthetic allure makes these cafes more than just coffee stops. They become destinations, a sense of escape. In today's fast-paced world, a visit to a high-end cafe offers a momentary escape from the hustle. The serene and elegant environment allows patrons to relax, work, or socialize in a setting that feels worlds away from their daily grind. Unique experiences. High-end cafes often provide bespoke experiences, from specialty coffee roasts to curated playlists. Every detail is designed to create a memorable visit. These elements make customers feel valued and elevate their experience beyond the ordinary. Social status. For some, visiting a high-end cafe is a way to signal sophistication or taste. Sharing photos or stories from such places can be a subtle form of social currency. Comfort and luxury. The plush seating, ambient lighting, and premium service of high-end cafes create an environment where people feel pampered. These spaces prioritize comfort, making them ideal for long chats, business meetings, or solo work sessions. Third, characteristics of high-end design cafes. High-end design cafes share several key characteristics that set them apart. Distinctive themes. Every high-end coffee shop has a concept or theme that ties all its design elements together, from the color palette to the furniture. Attention to detail. From custom-made furniture to artisanal coffee cups, every aspect of the cafe reflects thoughtful design. Functional luxury. While aesthetics are essential, functionality isn't compromised. The seating is comfortable, the layout facilitates movement, and every corner serves a purpose. Materials and textures. High-end cafes use materials like marble, granite, brass, and wood to add richness and texture to the interiors. These materials also enhance durability, High-end cafes are often outfitted with luxurious materials like marble countertops, hardwood flooring, brass accents, and plush upholstery. These elements signal quality and durability. Lighting design. Lighting is used strategically to create mood and highlight key areas, like the coffee counter or seating spaces. Acoustics. Good acoustics are essential in high-end cafes. Sound-absorbing materials are often used to maintain a serene environment, even when the cafe is busy. Thoughtful layout. Space planning is crucial. Whether it's cozy corners for intimate conversations or communal tables for group gatherings, high-end cafes are designed with diverse customer needs in mind. Artful decor in high-end cafes often includes bespoke art pieces, designer furniture, and curated accessories. These elements add personality and a sense of exclusivity. Ambient lighting. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood. High-end cafes often use a mix of natural light, pendant lights, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Unique branding. From the logo and menu design to packaging and staff uniforms, every element of a high-end cafe's branding is cohesive and meticulously designed. Functional elegance. While the design is luxurious, it is also practical. High-end cafes balance aesthetics with functionality to ensure that the space serves both staff and customers efficiently. Fourth, step-by-step guide to designing a high-end cafe interior. Creating a high-end coffee shop requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Define the concept. Start by deciding on a theme or concept that aligns with your brand identity. Is it a minimalist Scandinavian style or a cozy vintage Parisian cafe? The theme will guide all design decisions. Start by defining the cafe's theme or concept. Are you aiming for a minimalist aesthetic, a rustic charm, or an opulent luxury vibe? Your concept will influence every design decision, from furniture to lighting to color schemes. Step 2. Understand your target audience. Identify who your customers will be. Are they young professionals, digital nomads, or affluent families? Understanding your target audience will help you tailor the design to their preferences and expectations. Step 3. Choose the right location. The location of your cafe significantly impacts its success. Look for areas with high foot traffic and a demographic that aligns with your target audience. The surrounding neighborhood can also influence the cafe's design. Step 4. Research and inspiration. Look at design magazines, Pinterest boards, and successful high-end cafes worldwide for inspiration. Identify what resonates with your vision. Step 5. Space planning. Plan the layout to optimize the use of space. Consider seating arrangements, pathways, service areas, and storage. Ensure there's a logical flow from the entrance to the counter and seating areas. A. Zoning. Divide the space into functional zones like seating, service counters, and display areas. B. Traffic flow. Ensure smooth movement for customers and staff. C. Seating layout. Balance privacy and social interaction by offering a mix of communal tables, cozy nooks, and solo seating. Step 6. Select high-quality materials. Invest in premium materials that align with your concept. For example, use reclaimed wood for a rustic theme or sleek marble for a modern, luxurious feel. Invest in high-quality materials that align with your theme. For example, marble or quartz for counters. B. Leather or velvet for upholstery. C. Hardwood or terrazzo for flooring. Step 7. Design custom furniture. Custom-designed furniture can add uniqueness and elevate the overall aesthetic. Opt for ergonomic designs that balance comfort with style. A. Opt for custom or designer furniture that enhances the theme. B. Use decor like plants, art, or unique lighting fixtures to add character. Step 8. Incorporate statement pieces. Add wow factors like a central chandelier, an eye-catching mural, or a feature wall to make your cafe memorable. A. Use smart lighting and temperature control systems. B. Offer high-speed Wi-Fi and charging stations discreetly integrated into the design. Step 9. Focus on branding. Ensure your branding is cohesive and visible throughout the cafe. Use your logo on cups, napkins, and walls, and ensure your menu design aligns with your overall aesthetic. Branding elements. Ensure the interior reflects your brand identity through custom signage, packaging, or even wall art. Step 10. Prioritize comfort. Comfort should never be compromised. Use plush seating, maintain an ideal temperature, and ensure the acoustics are pleasant. Step 11. Sustainability. Incorporate sustainable practices such as using recycled materials or energy-efficient appliances. Step 12. Test and iterate. Before the grand opening, invite a small group for a soft launch. Gather feedback on the design and make adjustments as needed. Fifth, lighting for high-end cafes. Natural light. Maximize the use of natural light by incorporating large windows or skylights. Pair it with sheer curtains or blinds to control brightness. Natural light not only enhances the aesthetic, but also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Layered lighting. High-end cafes often use a combination of ambient lighting, provides general illumination and sets the mood. Task lighting. Focused light for specific areas like the counter or tables. Accent lighting. Highlights features like artwork, plants, or architectural details. Lighting fixtures. Invest in unique lighting fixtures that double as decor. Pendant lights, chandeliers, and wall sconces can add character and elegance. Dimmable options. Use dimmable lights to adjust the ambiance based on the time of day. Brighter lighting works for mornings and afternoons, while softer lighting creates a cozy atmosphere in the evenings. Color temperature. Opt for warm white lighting, 2700K to 3000K, to create a welcoming and luxurious ambiance. Avoid harsh or overly bright lights that can detract from the cozy feel. Spotlighting. Use spotlights to draw attention to specific elements like the menu board, coffee counter, or a signature decor piece. Pendant lights. Pendant lights over tables or counters add an element of design while providing functional lighting. Decorative fixtures. Invest in statement lighting pieces that double as decor, such as chandeliers, modern pendants, or sculptural floor lamps. Energy efficiency. Use LED lights to save energy and reduce long-term costs. Smart lighting. Incorporate smart lighting systems to control brightness, color, and schedules. This technology adds a modern touch and enhances energy efficiency. In conclusion, designing a high-end cafe requires a thoughtful blend of creativity, functionality, and attention to detail. By focusing on a clear concept, understanding your audience, and prioritizing comfort and aesthetics, you can create a space that not only serves excellent coffee, but also offers an unforgettable experience. Remember, every design choice, from the layout to the lighting, contributes to the overall atmosphere and success of your cafe. Designing a high-end interior for coffee shops requires a mix of creativity, strategy, and attention to detail. These spaces are not just about aesthetics, they're about crafting a holistic experience that resonates with customers. By focusing on thoughtful design, premium materials, and a cohesive theme, you can create a coffee shop that stands out as a beacon of luxury and style. Whether you're starting from scratch or revamping an existing space, the principles of high-end design will ensure your cafe becomes a memorable destination. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click your notification bell so you won't miss other educational presentations. Thank you.